Peter's getting ready to dig those sweet potatoes.
So it's time to pull them out. They've been in since probably April, maybe early May.
Wow.
And it's October 31st.
How many sweet potatoes can you find there, Peter?
Well, we'll see. I put, I think there's 5, maybe 6 slips in here.
Whoa.
So we'll see how many we get out of this. First I'm going to pull the greenery off, and then I'll dig them out. Look at my clippers. Let's see how big the root is here. It just...
Wow.
Yeah.
Those are big.
Those are big.
They almost look like they're like a small tree.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, there you go. Look, see?
Oh,
they're sitting right on the top. I think there's another one over here. Yeah, you can kind of see the top of. There's a bunch of them right here.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Oh wow! Look at this.
Wow, those are. Oh my gosh. This looks like, you know, your lungs like lemon, right?
Yeah, they do. They really do. That's incredible, huh?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so huge.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one here. Look. Wow.
Wow.
This is fun.
Yeah.
We'll just keep digging and
Peter,
we'll.
You're just a beginner.
Yeah, this is my first real good crop, so I'm pretty excited. Yeah. Really cool.
Oh.
All right. Well,
Look at those people.
we'll keep digging and we'll show you what we come up with in a few minutes.
We'll be right back.
Start pulling some up. Let's see.
So we get one out of the ground and
Yeah.
see what they look like.
Oh my gosh.
How about this one? This might be a good
That
one.
one. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Careful not to break.
Well, I'm pretty pleased with that for being a rookie. I prepared the soil. I made it really soft, and we planted them in this nice sunny spot, and they loved it. So this is them saying thank you, and we're going to enjoy eating these things.
It's bigger.
Watch me take this one out. This one's got an unusual shape. Whoa, whoa, there's even more. They're all through here. Incredible.
Oh my. It's like treasure hunting for you, Peter.
It really is. Every time I dig my fingers in, I think I'm going to hit another one. There you go.
Oh,
Wow.
nice.
Hold it up. Let's see.
And that's coming right out of the stem here. They've all grown off. You can see in different directions. They're all growing off the stem. Happy day. That is really fun.
Better than getting Christmas presents.
It is incredible, isn't it?
Yeah. Woo! What is that frog?
Was it a frog?
Yes, that's a frog.
Where is it? Where is it?
It went down
Went
there.
over here.
Oh.
It just jumped out of that. I was like, ooh, did not expect that.
Was it in the ground?
Yeah, it's just like under this when I move this and then it just jumped out of it.
I wonder
Wow.
if there's any back here.
This is huge. Wow, Peter.
Yeah, it's amazing how close to the surface they are.
Yeah. Oops. These are humongous. There's another one. It's like, wow.
A long runner.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is like,
It just goes and goes, doesn't
yeah.
it?
Oh wow. It was
Is it
attached
connected to that other one?
Uh-huh. So is it okay if I pull this?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it might heal.
Oh, okay. Ooh. Wow. Look at this. Huge.
That is huge. Oh, they're going to be delicious.
They are.
There's even a part of it underneath the ground here. See? It continues. There's the end of that.
It's a big sweet potato. Massive.
I don't know how many pounds that is. That's probably several pounds all by itself.
That would make a lot of sweet potato French fries, eh?
You see this one? This looks like lungs, like both sides of the lungs, and then this.
Probably somewhere in there.
Yeah,
So we found another big one. And then there's another one just sticking out of the ground here. See that one? Yeah. I'll have to see if we can get those.
For dinner. Well, I'm sure the flowers are edible as well, right?
Clumped together, they grow down off of the central vine. And they kind of really clump, but they send the leaves out everywhere.
Yeah, they are good. They're all good sizes. Okay, we saw a big one, Jessica, where the skin's been peeled off
Okay. That's a good size.
Yeah, they are good. They're all good sizes. Pound-wise, I don't know.
We're all from the front. We're not sure how many pounds this is. I'm guessing it's probably 50 pounds.